Hello guys, KindSnack here. Today's tutorial will be on how you can set up an ad currency system and how much currency it will give a player per minute. So let's get started. Before we start this process, please note that beta currencies are only available to a select few players currently, so you will not be able to use it if you did not sign up in the Inking Discord. The first thing you need to do before you start this process is turning on Creative Tools beta content, which you can find in your watch menu by going to this room, settings, and scrolling down until you get the option to turn on Creative Tools beta content. Make sure that's switched on. Now that Creative Tools beta content is switched on, you will also need to set up currency for the system to add to. In order to set up a currency, go to your watch menu, go to this room, go to settings, and tap on the tab that says currencies. Once you've done that, go ahead and add a currency. I'll call mine money. Currency description, you can put whatever you want. I'll just say a beta currency for tutorial. The daily limit is how much currency a player can earn in 24 hours. I'll just set mine to 1,000. And packages are a way for players to use their tokens to buy the currencies in the game. For an example of a package, I'll say 20 currency for 10 tokens. The next thing you're going to need for the system is a currency store button to determine if your currency has been sent to the player or not. To find a currency store button, go to your MakerPen palette, go to props, go to dynamic, and there you will find a currency store button. Go ahead and spawn that in. You will also need to configure the button to show the right currency, so use the configure option on your MakerPen, select it, and choose the currency you would like to add it to. Now that you have your currency store button, you now need the chips required in order to add the currency. In order to find these chips, go to your MakerPen palette, and either go to the search option and search the names listed here, or go to Circuits V2 and scroll until you get the right circuit. They're in alphabetical order, so it will be easy to find them the right way. Once you have all the chips needed to set up this currency system, and your currency store button set up, you can go ahead and start wiring by using the wire tool on your MakerPen. The first thing you're going to want to wire is the second value on the time get universal time to the A value of the equal. You're also going to want to wire the second to the left green pin on the variable integer. Once you've done that, you can wire the B value of the equals to the right green pin on the variable integer. After you've done that, go ahead and wire the equals to the condition on the if chip. After you've done that, you're going to wire your event receiver. Now before you wire this, please note that you need to configure your event receiver to have the event be update 30 Hz. After you've done that, you can wire this to the back of the if chip, then wire the else to the back left of the variable integer. Then after you've done that, wire the right value on the variable integer to the run on the add currency. After you've done that, you're going to want to wire the get local player to the player on the add currency. In order to make sure that it is sending the right currency, you're going to need to configure your add currency chip to select the right currency. Once you've done that, you need to configure how much currency your player is getting per minute. I'm just going to set mine to 5. Then once you've done that, your setup is complete. And now, every minute, or whenever this second value hits 0, you will be given 5 currency every single minute. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you next time. Bye!